Hi mathematicians, today we're going to be subtracting using base 10 blocks to help us borrow. We will also be talking a little bit about vertical subtraction, but our focus will be on using base 10 blocks.
We have 4 subtraction problems that we are going to solve today. Please pause the video and see if you can solve them on your own. Then come back when you're ready and we'll see if you got it right. All right, so 68 minus 17. We are going to draw the first number in base 10 blocks. So 68 has 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need to subtract 17 from 68. So we need to cross off 7 ones and 1 10. Let's check to make sure we have enough ones to cross off. So let's cross off 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Then we need to cross off 1 10. Now we have our answer. We need to count how many we have. So we have 1 1, which we know 8 minus 7 is 1. So that makes sense. Let's look at the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we know that 6 minus 1 is 5, so that makes sense. Let's move on to this problem. We have 81, so we need 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 1. All right, so let's look at 64. We need to subtract 64 from this number. We're going to start with the ones. We only have 1 1. We don't have 4. So we need to get more ones. And how we're going to do that is we're going to cross off a long, which is 10 ones, and turn it into those 10 ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So if we were doing it vertically, we would now, instead of 1 1, we would have 11 ones, and instead of 8 tens, we would have 7 tens. Now we can cross off our 64, sorry. So we have 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones left over, and 1 10 left over. And so 11 minus 4 we know is 7, and 7 minus 6 is 1. Super. Moving on, 95. 9 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we need to subtract 6 ones. We do not have enough for that. So we are going to cross off a 10, make it into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how that would look on our vertical problem is that we would now, instead of 5 ones, we would have 15 ones. And instead of 9 tens, we would have 8 tens. So now we can actually do our subtraction. So we need to cross off 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ones do we have left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need to cross off 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. And how many do we have left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 minus 6 is 9. 8 minus 3 is 5. All right, the last one is a little more challenging because it is a 3-digit number instead of a 2-digit number, but it works the same way. We're going to need a 100. We're going to need 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to cross off 7 ones. We don't have enough for that. So we're going to change this 10 into 10 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So instead of 4 ones, we now have 14 ones. Instead of 4 tens, we now have 3 tens. And then we can do our subtraction. So let's start with the ones, cross off 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many tens? 2. So we're going to cross off 2. How many do we have left? 1. And we are subtracting 1 100. So we have 0. Do we need to put 0 at the front here? No. So 14 minus 7 is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we get 17.
I hope you learned something about subtracting using base 10 blocks. Bye!